If you're watching this video, then it's probably because you want to learn how to make PayPal money in the fastest and easiest way possible. If we're correct, then you are in the right place. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to do exactly just that. Look at all of these payments that we've received right away into our PayPal accounts. $50, $182, $103, $260, and $304. We're going to be teaching you how you can earn this much PayPal money. This method is perfect for beginners like us. It will only take 20 minutes of your day, and you don't even need any skills or experience to be able to do this. The thing that we like most about the method that we are about to show you is that it pays you within 24 hours straight into your PayPal account, which means after 24 hours, your payment should arrive and you can cash it out from your PayPal as soon as possible. It's very fast and efficient, plus it's 100% free. You know that on this channel, we're all about the easy breezy ways to earn money, so it's always a pleasure to bring all of the goodness straight to you. This method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you come from. Go ahead and join in on today's method. So the earning potential of today's method is if you complete a 5-minute task, you can get paid up to $25. And when you do a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can get paid up to $300. Now, isn't that insane? We're going to be walking you through the whole process step by step, so make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip any part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To start the process, we want you to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in validately.com. And as soon as you hit enter on that, this is what should come out. As you can see, it's actually different that comes out because this is UserZoom, but it's just the same thing. So when you see this, don't worry, don't panic, you're still on the right track. Setting that aside, we want to discuss PayPal really quickly. Look at this right here. We get where you're coming from. We are available in more than 200 countries or regions and support 25 currencies. Send and receive payments easily over borders and language barriers. We're here for you wherever you are. And look at all of the countries that they cater to. So we're 100% sure that you can access PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account yet, make sure that you complete that before anything else so that you can start making money from our website today. Now for those new to our channel, we want to know in the comments down below what your preferred payment method is if the one you wanted wasn't part of the choices today, so that we can make more videos that will be more useful and available to you. Let's continue. Now, if you look over here, this website is 100% legit because they've already partnered up with very big names in the industry. There's Google, eBay, Facebook, Amazon, and many more from this list. Now to start earning, it's very difficult to find the sign up section wherein you can sign up on this website. So we will just give you the link right away so that you won't get lost or confused, and that's exactly why we always emphasize to watch the whole video before doing anything on your own, because most of the time that's the reason why some aren't successful with the methods that we share. Anyway, just type in panel.validately.com/sign up. Hit enter on that, and then this is what you should see next. So go ahead and click on create an account, and as soon as you click on that, they will be asking you a series of questions, 16 to be exact. And it's basically just asking for your information that you will need to give in order to sign up. And once you've successfully completed or filled up the 16 questions, this is what you will see at the end. Basically, there will be a screening that you will need to go through in order to be able to be accepted. So just click on take the screener test now, but only if you've read all of this, because it's best that you understand first and know what you're planning to start. So read through, and if it's all good to you, just click on the take the screen tester now, and then you will be brought to this page. Make money testing websites from your home. We are recruiting people to test websites from their home or office. If you are selected to join our panel, you will get emails about tests that you can take. To be applicable, you need to take this quick screening test. It will only take 1 minute. Leave your real email below so that we can contact you for future tests. Only use Chrome. Do not use Firefox or Internet Explorer, okay? And then, once you're all good with that, just click on I will test websites for money, and then you're going to see this page. If we haven't mentioned it yet, today's method can be easily done on your phones. So if you do not have a desktop computer or even a laptop, you can still earn through your phones. And now we're curious. To our new viewers, what type of mobile phone are you using? Are you an iOS user or an Android user? Leave your answer in the comments down below for our future videos, and because we really would love to know. Now let's get back into the video. Now on this page, it says to select the circle to open the instructions and hide it, so that's all you need to click to do that. Then, just click on next, so that's what's going to happen. Now, you're ready to begin the test, so click on OK, I'm ready to begin this test. Once you click on that, to begin, please install the Validately extension. This extension install is needed to record your screen. So just click on the white button here, and then it will lead you straight to the extension link, so you can easily just click on add to Chrome to add that to your browser to officially begin the testing. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Once you've added that to your browser and you've done the test, you were accepted, you will get a job like this. So for example, on the Amazon website, your job will be to visit the website as your first step. And there is a given link, so you can click on that or copy and paste it. And then when you're on the website, you're going to have to take a screenshot of the homepage of the Amazon website. And then the next step is that they want you to locate today's deals on Amazon. So go look that up on Amazon, take a screenshot of that as well, and that's done for the second step. And for your last step, they might ask you to search something specific, okay? But for this example, you're asked to search for Scott Standard bath tissue, and then you're gonna look that up on Amazon again. Take a screenshot of whatever showed up on your screen as soon as you search that, and boom! That's all you need to do for this very simple task, and this would be how most of your tasks would go on Validately. It's literally so easy and quick, and you can do more tasks like this and earn so much more, up to $300 in a day if you can complete more than one task. And that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.